Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a throttle body relearn on a 7-gen Nissan Maxima. So what we're going to do, and before we start the relearn procedure, you do want to have your car warmed up. If your car is not warmed up, drive it for about 10 minutes. Come back, make sure it's at operating temperature before you start this. And then also before you start this, make sure that all your accessories is off, including the AC. So once you got all that and you caught up to your car's warmed up, operating temperature, all your accessories is off, let's proceed with the learning procedure. Come in here. So you want to put the car on, do not start it. So you want to wait 3 seconds, 2, 3, and then press the accelerator pedal 5 times. Wait 7 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Press and hold down the accelerator pedal, and then that should start blinking. Let go of the accelerator pedal and start your car. So that's how you do a throttle body relearn on your Nissan or Altima. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.